Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English on the Way, the fun and easy way to learn English. I'm Charles.
Hello, Charles. Hi, everyone. I'm Rachel. How is your day going so far, Charles?
It's going great, Rachel. Actually, I walked a new way to the studio today and got a little bit lost.
Oh, no. Really? That happens to me all the time when I visit a new neighborhood. Did you find your way okay?
I did, yes. I had to stop and ask a friendly mailman for directions. It made me think about our learners today.
Oh, yeah? Why did it make you think of our learners, Charles?
Well, getting lost in a new city feels just like learning a new language. You feel confused and you don't know where to turn.
Totally. I remember my first trip alone to Chicago. I walked in circles for 40 minutes. My heart was beating so fast.
See, it happens to everyone. But asking for help is the best part. You realize people actually want to help you.
That is so true. Hey, when you were lost today, what exact words did you use to ask the mailman?
I kept it super simple. I just said, "Excuse me, where is Main Street?"
Excuse me. I love that phrase. It is polite, soft, and it gets someone's attention without being rude.
Exactly. You don't need a long, complicated sentence. Just say, "Excuse me," and then name the place you want to find.
Right. But what if a learner asks where a street is and the native speaker talks way too fast?
Ah, yes, that is a very real fear. Sometimes people speak quickly because they are in a hurry.
Exactly. When that happens, your mind goes completely blank. It feels like a big wall is in front of you.
I know, right? But remember, step by step. You can always smile and say, "Could you speak slowly, please?"
Yes, could you speak slowly, please? That is such a powerful A1 tool. It saves the conversation right away.
Absolutely. And most people will happily slow down for you. They respect you for trying to speak English.
For sure. You know, Charles, what are some easy words for directions that our friends should practice today?
Well, the most important ones are simple: left, right, and straight ahead.
Oh yeah, left and right. I actually still use my hands to check which way is left sometimes.
Me too, Rachel. So if someone says, "Go straight ahead," it just means keep walking forward on the same street.
That makes sense. What about when a store is across the street from a park? How do we say that simply?
We use the phrase "next to" or "across from," like the coffee shop is next to the bank.
Right, next to. That is super easy to picture in your mind, like two friends sitting next to each other on a bench.
Exactly. When you connect direction words to real pictures in your mind, you never forget them.
That is such a good tip. But you know what stops people from asking for directions? The fear of sounding silly.
Oh, totally. We worry too much about our accent or our grammar when we are out on the street.
Exactly. Sometimes the weather inside our heads gets cloudy with doubt, and we just stay silent instead of asking for help.
Yes, but mistakes are just stepping stones. Every time you speak, you are building your courage for the next time.
I love that phrase so much. Stepping stones. You walk on them to cross a river.
Right. You must believe in yourself. Never give up just because you misunderstood one turn or one street name today.
Absolutely. Even native speakers get lost and confuse left and right, just like my trip to Chicago.
Exactly. And getting lost leads to new adventures. You might find a cool bookstore or a pretty park.
That is so true. Speaking of finding cool things, I wonder how our listeners are doing with their English journey right now.
Well, if you are having fun finding your way with us today, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and make sure to share this episode with a study buddy. Learning English with a friend makes every step easier.
We really want to hear from you too. Leave a comment below and tell us, did you ever get lost in a new city?
Oh, I would love to read those stories. It is always so fun to see where our friends are traveling and learning.
For sure. Reading about your real-life experiences reminds us why we make this podcast every single week.
It really does. Our learners work so hard. It takes real guts to speak a new language in front of strangers.
That is why we say, keep walking forward. Even on days when English feels confusing, just practice one small conversation.
Right, just like our simple direction words today. Charles, could we do a quick review of those key phrases?
I would love to. First, we talked about starting with "excuse me," which is the best way to get help politely.
Yep, and then asking for help when someone talks too fast. Could you speak slowly, please? That one is a lifesaver.
And for finding your way, remember the basics. Go straight ahead, turn left, turn right, and next to.
Absolutely. These are simple, everyday tools, but they can help you travel anywhere in the world with confidence.
You got it, Rachel. Now, how about we show our listeners how these phrases sound in real life?
That sounds like a wonderful idea. Let's jump right into our role-play practice for today.
Excuse me, hello, I am a little lost. Could you help me, please?
Oh, hi there. Of course I can help you. Where are you trying to go today?
I am looking for the city library. Is it far from here?
Not at all. Just go straight ahead on this street for 2 blocks, and then turn left at the corner.
Oh, I'm sorry. Could you speak slowly, please? I am still learning English.
Absolutely. No problem at all. Go straight ahead for 2 blocks, then turn left.
Ah, I understand now. Go straight ahead and then turn left.
You got it. The library is right next to a big blue coffee shop. You cannot miss it.
Thank you so much for your help. Have a wonderful day.
You are very welcome. Have fun at the library and good luck with your English.
That was fantastic, Rachel. Did you notice how simple that exchange was, everyone? No hard words at all.
Exactly. You do not need to speak fast or use big words to get where you need to go. Simple is always best.
Right. Just use your basic words, ask people to slow down if you need it, and believe in yourself.
For sure. We are so proud of your progress, friends. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and tell us your travel stories in the comments.
Keep learning, and remember, you can do it. Bye for now, everyone.
See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.
Welcome back, everyone. If you are still listening, it means you really want to improve your English. Let's keep chatting, Rachel.
Yes, I am so happy our friends are staying with us today. Let's dive deeper into how travel builds our confidence.
You know, Rachel, when I think about walking in a new place, I realize that body language is just as important as words.
Oh, really? What do you mean by body language, Charles? Like pointing with our hands?
Exactly. If you forget the word for right or left, you can always use your hand to point while you speak.
Oh, yeah. I do that all the time. Pointing and smiling helps the other person understand you so much faster.
Right. A smile is a universal language. It tells the other person that you are friendly and just need a little help.
That is so true. But what if you ask for directions and the person just says, "I don't know"? That can feel awkward.
Ah, yes. Sometimes people don't live in that neighborhood, so they really don't know where the library or bank is.
Exactly. It is important for our learners to know that "I don't know" is not a rejection of their English.
That is a huge mindset shift, Rachel. If someone says they don't know, just smile and say, "Okay, thank you anyway."
Yes, thank you anyway. That is such a sweet and polite phrase to keep in your pocket for everyday walks.
Absolutely. Then you just take a breath, walk a few more steps, and ask the next friendly person you see.
Step by step, right? Every person you talk to builds a little more muscle in your English brain.
Exactly. You build fluency by trying, not by staying inside where it is safe and quiet.
For sure. And honestly, getting lost is sometimes how we find our favorite places, like a hidden bakery with great cake.
Oh, yeah. I love finding a good bakery. Food always tastes better after a long walk around the city.
Totally. Hey, Charles, what is another useful question word our beginners can use when they are exploring?
Well, besides where, the word how is super useful. For example, how do I get to the train station?
How do I get to? That is so practical. It sounds so natural when you say it out loud in the street.
Right. You can put any place at the end of that sentence. How do I get to the park? Or how do I get to the hotel?
I love patterns like that. When learners memorize one simple pattern, they can make dozens of different sentences.
Exactly. You don't need 1,000 rules. You just need a few solid tools that you can use over and over again.
Yes, and practicing these tools out loud at home is the best way to get ready for the real world.
I agree completely. Even just speaking to your mirror in the morning helps your mouth get used to English sounds.
That is such good advice. Sometimes our learners tell me their jaw actually gets tired when they practice new English words.
Oh yeah, that's a great sign. It means you are working new muscles. It's just like going to the gym for your face.
The mouth gym. I love that picture. It reminds me that learning is physical, not just mental.
For sure. So never feel bad if you stumble on a word today. Just pause, smile, and try saying it again.
Absolutely. Every single attempt brings you closer to your goals. You guys are doing an amazing job.
Right. We believe in you every single day. Just keep practicing those simple patterns, step by step.
Yes, and remember to use our favorite tools today. Excuse me, could you speak slowly, and go straight ahead.
You got it, Rachel. Thanks for sharing this extra practice time with us, everyone. Keep exploring and keep speaking.
Yes, keep going, friends. We are cheering for you all the way. Bye-bye again.
Wait, Rachel. Before we finish completely today, let's share one more quick story about traveling and making mistakes.
Oh, I am always ready for another story. What happened, Charles? Did you get lost somewhere else too?
Well, yes. Many years ago, I visited a small town in Mexico. I wanted to order chicken, but I accidentally ordered a kitchen.
Oh no, you ordered a kitchen? How did the waiter react when you said that?
He just laughed nicely, corrected my word, and brought me delicious chicken anyway. It was a great lesson for me.
That is such a sweet memory. See, People are generally very kind when they see you trying your best.
Exactly. That mistake is one of my favorite memories now. It taught me to never be afraid of looking silly.
For sure. When we laugh at our own mistakes, the fear completely disappears. It makes learning so much lighter.
Right. So to all our friends listening today, embrace your mistakes. They are the best teachers you will ever have.
Absolutely. Thank you for sharing that funny story, Charles. It is the perfect reminder to enjoy the journey.
My pleasure, Rachel. Now, let's officially wrap up our talk today. You guys are awesome.
Yes, you really are. Keep learning, keep smiling, and have a wonderful week ahead, everyone.
Keep learning, and remember, you can do it. Bye for now, friends.
See you next time, guys. Bye-bye.